Welcome back. Once you have finished your customization, you will then be ready to output the document and you can go to the share area and it's here where you're going to have some choices. Now, one of the first things you can do is you can share the design with someone else and you can add those people here in this area. If that person is on your team, you can share it with that individual here in this area. Now, currently link sharing is restricted. We can make it so that anyone with a link can have access to the document. That means then that we can copy the link and we can pass the link on to someone and we can determine what that individual is going to be able to do. If we want the individual to be able to edit the document, if we want them to be able to view it but not edit, we can make it so that the individual can view and comment. We can also download the document. If we click the download button, what we can do is we can determine what file type we want to download it in, and we do have choices. If we click this area, you're going to notice that there are choices, most of which are going to be choices that we can use. With the free version, you'll notice that there are certain elements in the download that we won't be able to change unless we have the Pro version. We can select the specific pages that we are going to download. So if we only want to download one page of this document, we can make it so that this download will only have one page and we can then save these elements to our Canva account. Once we have completed our settings, we can then click this button that says to download the image, and the image is then downloadable to our hard drive. Okay, with that, thanks and I will see you in another video.